If you want to know how to take off your install without ripping out your edges or harming your baby hairs, I think this is the right video for you, and I think you should keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Masi. If you aren't, then you already know. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm just going to take you guys quickly through how to uninstall your wigs without damaging your edges. Okay, good. So before we get into this video, if you know you haven't subscribed, press the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. I mean, what are you waiting for? Press the notification bell so as soon as I upload videos, you get them. Ooh. Share this video to all the girlies that need this tutorial. Like and leave a comment, okay? Okay, let's get into the video. So, I installed this wig a couple of days ago, like 3 days ago. So if you can see, this side is sliding back. But this side has stayed forever faithful. It hasn't even shifted. I don't even know how that's possible. So yeah. Give me a moment. So first off, move the hair out of your face, okay? So we're just gonna do this. Okay, perfect. And then you do same for the other side. I know you guys are eyeing my edges. I took all the artistry out of me to create this. Like, this was actually my first install. So I'm so fucking proud of myself. Ooh, I was supposed to say that. I'm so proud of myself that I was able to do this and even execute this. Like, I sat down and told myself that, Masi, you're creative. So you have to do this, and I did it. So period. I know you guys are feeling it, as you should. So the next thing that you're gonna need is rubbing alcohol. I poured my rubbing alcohol into this Urban Serenity bottle. So if you guys see me, I'm not using their products, I'm just using the container. So yeah, just spray it on all the sides that you apply glue. So sorry, I'm looking down because I have a mirror here. So if you see me like averting my gaze downwards, I'm using a mirror. Okay, so please spray that rubbing alcohol on the parts that you applied the glue to soften the glue. This is to enable that you are not ripping out your edges. This is very important. If you like, you can use water. If you like, you can use oil. But I just prefer to use rubbing alcohol because it does the work fast. Okay. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and then I'm just gonna put it under to. Guys, when you're doing this, don't force it. This is just to separate the lace from your skin. Again, when you're doing this and then you find it very hard to move around, you just know that, oh, this side has a lot of glue, so you just spray more rubbing alcohol there and then you massage it. Okay? It's as simple as that. See? Smoothing. We did it. So now oh, we came with a bald cup, so I did a bald cup, guys. Okay, so the bald cup is off, and this is off of well. If you guys want a video as to how I clean the lace of the wig, let me know. So I'm using coconut oil and cotton to take off the excess glue that's on my edges. I'm sure you guys are wondering, why is she using coconut oil and not rubbing alcohol? I just feel like I've used something harsh on my skin already, so I just want to go into something gentle. And you guys may be wondering, oh my gosh, how's oil going to remove the glue? Fun fact, oil can remove the glue. If you think I'm lying, just keep watching the video to see. You guys should also let me know in the comment section what other things that you use to clean off the glue on your skin, okay? See? It's already coming off. It's as simple as that. So you can use any oil of your choice. You can use water, you can use soap, you can use more rubbing alcohols. Honestly, to your preference, but I think this will work for me, so I'm just gonna put you guys on. For you guys who have sensitive skin, I don't have sensitive skin, don't get me wrong, but it's just soothing and it's just something that's not going to harm your skin, and it's also something that works for sensitive skin, you get me? So yeah.